Hey guys, good morning. I am starting off a new vlog, duh. But today is Thursday and I'm headed off to go to the gym. I woke up this morning, I'm out of breath because I just ran up the stairs. I left my keys in my trunk yesterday because they were in my gym bag and I left in the trunk, but thank God my car was not locked. We're all good. But anywho, I am about to head to the gym. I woke up at 6 a.m. today, edited a vlog, exported it, did my journaling, read a chapter of my book, did all my shit in the morning, ate a bowl of protein oats, and now I'm about to head out for a workout. I've been mentioning to you guys how much I've been loving working out lately, and I've just been so happy. And, you know, there's no pressure on it too. Like, if I don't feel like going one day, like I just, you know, take a rest day, whatever, but I just kind of have been like super happy about my workouts. Yesterday, Monica and we worked out with our trainer Paris, and we did like a full body. My workout schedule is kind of thrown off this week because on Saturday I actually have a test shoot in New York City for my modeling agency. So I'm going into the city, so I can't really work out Saturday. So I don't know, I just feel like I kind of want to do full body since we already did full body yesterday. Like I kind of just want to keep going with full body. Tomorrow I'm going to do Pilates. Today I'm going to do a little bit of like weights for legs and then Pilates abs, like a little bit of cardio, maybe some walking, maybe some Stairmaster and some sauna, which I think is going to feel really good. Just kind of what I'm in the mood for. I'm debating if I want to have a Celsius or if I want to have my pre-workout. I never finish my Celsius. That's my problem, is I bring it, I'll drink like a third of it and then I just bring it back home, but then like the next day it's like flat. I don't know, me drinking those is like so pointless. I like shouldn't even drink energy drinks because I just like drinking them for the flavor. Like I never actually drink them for the, like I never finish them. Anyways, blah blah blah. Just started my car and I am about to head out the door. Oh my gosh, you guys, that workout, I'm sorry I did not record one single bit of it because I just absolutely wrecked my legs. Sorry about all those bumps, I'm on the highway. But oh my gosh, that was so good. And I feel amazing, and I was honestly like kind of feeling myself after the sauna. I went in the sauna for like literally 5 minutes just to stretch, and I took some like videos and photos of myself in the mirror, and I'm very like proud of myself right now. I told you guys in a few vlogs back, like I haven't been having very great body image days for the past couple months since I've been home. I think in LA I was a lot more distracted and I didn't really have time to think about it as much, which is shocking because LA is such a like vain place that you'd think you'd be thinking about it all the time. But I was tan, I was always doing things, like I didn't really think about like, oh, you know, I don't really feel my best right now. And I was moving, so I kind of was like, and like had so much to celebrate that I didn't really care. Anyways, long story short, I told you guys that I've been prioritizing strength training, and I'm gonna say something, and some of the girlies are not gonna like this, but I was so focused on steps and getting 10,000 steps and like basically cardio, that would be my workout. I would get to the gym, I would walk on the treadmill for 30-40 minutes, maybe an hour, and then I would go home. Like I would do that more often than I wouldn't, you know, and that's fine. But then I was complaining that I looked the same. Like my body, I have been doing 10,000 steps a day, 8 to 12,000 I would say. I've been doing that for years. Like you don't think my body's adapted to it, you know? Like if you were sedentary and you suddenly started doing 10,000 steps a day, your body would definitely change. Like you would be seeing results, you know? And I just kind of got really comfortable and was like, you know what, no, this is enough of a workout. And on some days, some weeks even, that's all I'm gonna want to do, and that's totally fine. But I got so worried about the steps that I was like not strength training barely at all, besides with my trainer like once a week. And I just like, I don't know, I've been so like loving strength training. I think it's good. Like it comes and goes, you know. I'm gonna probably love walking again at some point, but like right now it's just like, this is what's making me happy, and like I'm seeing results, and like results that are like physical. Like I don't think I weigh any different or anything. Like I just think that like I'm building muscle and my body is like getting back to that shape that I always liked. And I don't know, it's also just the mental aspect. Like it's making me feel good. Like it's more than just physical, because like I said, I don't look that different, and it's not gonna change in like the span of a month that I've been like super on it, but it's making me feel like really happy and good, and like I'm kind of killing it right now. So yeah, and it's been like less than a month that this has been my big revelation, but I want to keep going, and I don't want to quit this time, because every time, you know, I start to get somewhere, then I'm like, oh no, I should try this, or I should do this, blah, blah, blah. Like, I want to just stick. You got to see it through, my boy, you know? Like, I want to just stick with this for once. Like, actually stick with it and see where it goes. I'm also loving, like, how much food I'm eating, and with, like, focusing on protein. I'm always full. I, like, feel amazing. I have energy, and it's, like, going to the right places. Like, I'm just feeling good, you guys. I don't know. So if this is your sign, if you need a sign to start strength training, and strength training doesn't have to mean heavy lifting. I don't lift heavy by any means. Like, maybe heavy for some people, but like not what, like, I'm not like bodybuilding out here. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just like picking up a little bit of weight, using some resistance. But that can also mean Pilates, Legree, like body weight stuff with bands, like whatever, wherever your starting point is for it to be a challenge for you, that's all that matters. You don't have to go balls to wall 0 to 100. Like, you don't have to all of a sudden start from like walking on the treadmill to now going and like squatting 400 pounds. Like, you can start with booty bands, even though like the internet has made it seem like, oh, that's nothing. Like, no, I still get sore sometimes from booty bands. So honestly, as long as you're doing enough reps, like, it also depends on your goals, everything. I'm not a trainer, so like, you know what, take what I say with a grain of salt. But like, for me, it's working, and I'm loving it, and I switch up my workouts, and I've just been feeling like so confident and good and happy. And yeah, so that's it. Alrighty guys, I'm all dressed. I'm going to show you my outfit. I'm trying to think of where's a good place to put my camera real quick. This is the fit right now. It's just these local European pants. This simple black bodysuit, I think it's from Zara. This jacket's also from Zara. Just like a cute, simple, casual fit. And I'm really liking this kind of easy vibe right now. I'm also on a huge mixing metals kick. So all my jewelry, gold, silver, you know, I love that I'm able to do that now, because I used to not be able to. I don't know why I like got anxiety about mixing metals. Hair's in a bun, no makeup, earrings, because I'm getting a facial and then just gonna do my makeup. So did I even tell you guys what I'm doing? I didn't even tell you guys what I'm doing. I am going to see a girl named Nelly who owns her own like makeup, facial, everything studio in Connecticut. She's good friends with my trainer who works in Connecticut, and I'm going to see her. And I'm super excited. She said come in for a treatment, so I don't even know what we're gonna be doing, but I'm so excited. I'm excited to hang with her, and you know, she's really good friends with my trainer who is one of my close friends. And yeah, I think it'll be a fun little day. Then maybe I'll go to Whole Foods, get something from the hot bar for dinner. You guys saw I made like an avocado toast just now, and then I did turkey bacon, egg and cheese on another one. Oh my god, so good, so filling. Had a protein shake in the car, so we're up on our protein. All right, y'all, we are on our way. I'm gonna grab some Dunkin really quick. I mobile ordered. I have a new Dunkin mobile order that's so fire, in case any of you guys are Dunkin people. I know like most people are Starbucks people, but I'm both. Anywho, it is a large cold brew with almond milk, 2 pumps of Irish cream, which I know is limited edition, but it's so good, and toasted almond, and 2 stevias. It's fire. It's fire. So I'm gonna go pick it up and I'll show you guys a little taste test. You guys, it's so good. Bomb.
Oh, you know what we should do one day? Nicole, what's up? We should go to the grocery store all together and do a vlog. Only if we leave with a gabagool, a pepperoni salad. A salad? I want the prosciutto.
Get your paws off the cold brew. He had his own. He drank his whole coffee. I couldn't drink it.
It was small.
It was not small.
What kind is this anyway?
Mine kind. Best coffee order, you guys already. We are on the way to New York. It is only 7:40. We got on the road at 6:30.
Yeah.
So I have a test shoot for my New York agency that is at 9:30. So Frank very kindly decided to come with me and drive, so I didn't have to take the train, which honestly was like a lifesaver. But also we have some friends here from California, so he's gonna meet up with them, get breakfast, hang with them, and then he and I are gonna get lunch together and like spend some time in the city and then go home. So quick little trip, but it'll be fun. I feel like you haven't been to the city.
I'm trying to remember the last time, so no.
So no.
Actually, wait, no. Did we go? Oh wait, no, we went once since we moved to LA, didn't we?
When did you go?
Yep. Once in the past 5 years.
When did you go?
Me and you.
We did?
Yes.
No, we didn't.
Yes, I'll show you.
Oh.
I don't remember why or when or like.
That was my Christmas present. One Christmas I got him like a stay in a hotel.